More traffic on your listing means more potential buyers. But how you can get more traffic on Amazon? If you have this question on your mind, in this video, I will show you simple and effective way to drive traffic both internally and externally. So let's start by talking about internal traffic. This means the visitors who are already on Amazon, who are looking around for products and might find your products while browsing. They might see your products through different features like search results, product recommendations, or ads. There are several ways you can attract this type of traffic, and it's a key part of growing your sales on Amazon. So first thing is that you should optimize your listing for search result. Well, think of this: when a buyer comes to Amazon to buy something, the first thing they do is search for it in the search bar. Amazon then shows them a list of products based on the keyword they have entered. The buyers scroll through the listings and naturally they click on the one that catches their attention. So if you want your product to be the one they notice, you need to make sure it shows up in search results. That's where SEO comes in. Optimize your title with the right keywords helps Amazon understand what you are selling and show it to the right people. But just appearing in search result isn't enough. You need to grab the buyer's attention. And for that, you need competitive price and a top-notch main image. Let's talk about pricing first. If your price is too high, buyers might skip your listing. But if it's too low, you could end up losing profit. The key is to find a balance. So here is my suggestion. Look at what your competitors are charging and set your price to match or be slightly better. Make sure your price reflects the value you are offering. Whether that's better quality, faster shipping, or something extra, competitive pricing is about being smart, not just cheap. Well, now move to the main image. This is the first thing buyers see. So it has to be eye-catching. Your main image should clearly show the product with no distractions. So what you can do? Use a clean white background to make your item stand out, and make sure the lighting is perfect so the color and details are sharp. If possible, show the product from the best angle and highlight any unique features. Well, we have a detailed video on main image hacks. Check this out. I will give you the link in the description below, or you can find here in the I button. If you still need expert help, don't worry, we have got you covered. Our team is ready to assist you with any questions or challenges. Just drop us an email at info@ecomclips.com. Alright, move on to the next part, which is leverage Amazon brand content. If you are in Amazon's brand registry, one of the best features you can use is enhanced brand content, or mostly known as A+ content. You can add custom content that not only shows off your brand story, but also highlight the key benefit of your product in a way that grabs attention. Just think about it. People are more likely to stop and take a closer look at listing with high quality images and videos. Making your product visuals are far more appealing than the average listing. And most importantly, A+ content can increase your conversion rate. So if you have not explored this feature yet, now is the time to do. Utilize Amazon advertising. This is a great way to reach the right audience, but you'll need to spend some money. Don't worry, it will be worth it if you know how to optimize your PPC campaign. So run a sponsored product campaign when people search for items similar to yours. This ad helps get your products in front of them. Another interesting thing is you can retarget potential customer using sponsored display ads. Well, how it works? If someone visited your listing but didn't buy, you can show them your product again and encourage them to come back and complete their purchase. So by combining these strategies, you will increase your product visibility and improve your chances of getting more sales. Next, focus on good reviews and ratings. I don't know about you, but when I buy something from Amazon, I go to the listing that grabs my attention and simply scroll down to the review section to check what people saying about this product. If I find that people saying cool things about this helps my buying decision. So what I'm trying to say is having good ratings and reviews will make people trust your listing. To get good reviews and ratings, it's important to focus on delivering quality and great customer service. So you can encourage happy customer to leave reviews. Well, that's cover internal traffic. Now let's talk about external traffic as well. The more traffic you send on Amazon from outside sources like social media or blogs, the better. And if the traffic leads to more sales, it can further improve your ranking. So driving external traffic is a key factor here. And the first thing you can do to drive external traffic is leverage social media. Social media is super popular and has tons of users. So keep in mind that if you create social media pages like Facebook page, Instagram, and others, it can really help your brand. So start by setting up these accounts and share content that grabs people's attentions. Post interesting updates, photos, and videos regularly to keep your followers engaged and attract new ones. Another thing you can do is partnering with influencers. One of the great way to get external traffic. Collab with influencers can really boost your product's visibility. Influencers have a dedicated audience base that trusts their opinions. So when they promote your product, their followers are more likely to check it out. But the key here is find influencers in your niche. Once you partner with them, they can share your product on their social media platforms, blogs, or YouTube channels, driving traffic directly to your Amazon listings. Another way to get external traffic is affiliate blogging. It's a smart way to get more traffic. Let me tell you how it works. Bloggers write about your product, it could be a review or a blog post, and then they will include an affiliate link that takes readers to your listing if they click on the link. And if they buy your product, the blogger gets a small commission. A good blog post not only talks about your products but also helps potential buyers understand why they might need it. Plus, this blog post shows up in Google searches, meaning they can keep sending traffic to your Amazon listing long after the post is written. Next one is join relevant forums and groups to promote your products. This is one of the great ways to get external traffic to your Amazon listing. You should join and promote your products in relevant forums and groups such as Reddit, LinkedIn group, Facebook groups. Quora might be a wonderful website for that. These are online communities where people discuss specific topics related to your product. If you actively participate in this conversation, sharing your useful tips, you can create awareness and encourage people to visit your Amazon listing. Alright, these are the way you can drive traffic to your Amazon listing. So if you have hard time to get traffic on your listing, don't worry, we Ecomclips can help you. You can get a same-day appointment and talk to us. Just mail us at info@ecomclips.com. We'll get back to you ASAP. So that's all for today. I hope you found this video helpful. And if so, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.